Okay guys, I got a quick video for you on how I just repaired my air conditioner system. Last night the air conditioner upstairs was blowing hot air. I've just learned through experience that one of the first things you should do is check your outside unit and make sure that it's running. It was not running. So I got up this morning, be sure and cut the unit off. So I got up this morning and first thing I did was I pulled the panel off the air conditioner unit, and let me show you that right here. Just take a couple screws off, and then that panel right there simply comes off of the unit. Now, what I've learned over the years, and again guys, I'm not an air conditioner mechanic and this is not the gospel, it's just what I've learned throughout the years of fooling with air conditioners at my home. Usually what goes wrong in my experience is the contacts go bad, or they get some type of dirt in there. The contacts are actually right here. This is the contact. In my case today, the contacts were fine. They were doing what they're supposed to do. Alright, so that's usually the first thing I check. Second thing is the capacitor, and that's this thing right here. And I could tell that it was bad simply by looking at it. This is the old one that I just took off, and you can see how the top of it is domed over. That's bad. So I ran to my air conditioner supply house, bought a new capacitor. This cost a total of $7. Be sure to wire it up just as it came off, and now the air conditioner works. So capacitors do go bad. I was told by the technician that they'll last about 7 years. This one has actually been on there 15 years. So I've got a lot of good use out of this capacitor. I actually went ahead and bought another one just in case the other air conditioner goes out. And then the third thing that can go wrong is the motor goes out in the fan up here. I've never had that happen, but that's those are the three most common things that you can do and save yourself a ton of money, as opposed, also you can get it fixed quicker. So just some things to think about should your air conditioner start blowing hot air today. Number one, check the outside unit, make sure it's running. If it is running, then there's could be a whole nother line of issues going on. Anything from low freon to the compressor's gone bad, and last year I did have a compressor go out and had to be replaced professionally. However, if your outside unit's not running, try and figure out why. Number one, check the contacts. Make sure they're not just clogged up with ants or bugs or something get in between those two contacts. Number two, check your capacitor, and number three, check your motor. And as always, you know, use common sense in doing this stuff, guys. You know, cut your breakers off. Don't ever fool with this stuff, live electricity. And don't even do this if you have no clue about what you're doing. But hey, I was able to fix mine in just a few hours. Just had to run to town and buy a capacitor. Alright, well, I hope this helps you guys. And hey, why don't you subscribe? I've always got some kind of video going of some stuff that I'm doing. One other project I'm doing now is I'm building a new camper. So you might want to subscribe and check that out. Alright? Hey, thanks for watching, and leave me a comment. Again, I'm not a professional air conditioner repairman. It's just what I've learned through experience. Thanks. Bye-bye.